Script: Journey around the Milky Way INTRO0 o'clock to 1:30. Visuals: a vast spiral galaxy slowly turns among the stars. Narrator: in the boundless ocean of the cosmos, one shining island of stars holds the story of our existence, the Milky Way. Today, we begin a journey across 100,000 light-years of wonder. Music, deep ambient tones rising to a cosmic swell. Text on screen. Journey around the Milky Way Part 1. The edge of the galaxy, 1:32, 5 o'clock visuals. Spaceship drifting beyond the galactic edge. Stars, sparse. Narrator: at the outer rim, stars are scattered and cold. Here, the galaxy fades into intergalactic darkness. Our ship ignites, setting course inward toward the shining spiral arms. Cut to shimmering arms of stars and gas clouds. Narrator: each spiral arm is a river of billions of suns. Within them, new worlds are born, and ancient stars fade away. Character: Captain Mira. Engines stable. Navigation locked on Sagittarius arm. Let's see what holds the heart of our galaxy. Part 2. The stellar nurseries, 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Visuals: colorful nebulae, glowing in pinks and blues. Narrative: inside vast clouds of gas and dust. Gravity sculpts new suns. These are the nurseries of creation. The Orion Nebula, the Eagle Nebula, the pillars of birth. Character: scientist, Aiden. Every sparkle here is a newborn star, each one with a story waiting to unfold. Slow zoom into a forming solar system. Narrator: planets swirl in disks of dust. Moons gather. Life, perhaps, begins its eternal dance. Part 3. The spiral arms of light, las 9, la 1 de la tarde. Visuals: ship glides through dense clusters of blue stars. Narrator: through the spiral arms, young stars burn bright, hot, blue, and brief. Massive supernovae explode, scattering the seeds of life across the galaxy. Character: Captain Mira. Even in death, stars give birth to new worlds. There's beauty in destruction. Narrator: each explosion spreads carbon, oxygen, and iron, the very elements within us. Part 4. Crossing dead zones, 13 o'clock to 17 o'clock visuals. Empty, dark regions with isolated stars. Narrator: between arms lie dark voids, the galactic deserts. Here, silence reigns, radiation storms, dying stars, and drifting worlds paint a cosmic graveyard. Character: Aiden. These regions remind us, the galaxy is not kind. Only resilient life endures. Music softens. Melancholic strings. Part 5. The core of the Milky Way, 17 o'clock to 21 o'clock. Visuals: bright golden core filled with dense stars and gas. Narrator: as we approach the galactic core, the stars multiply. A million suns crowd every light year. Gravity pulls tighter. The center burns with fury and beauty. Character: Captain Mira. Readings spiking. This is it, the heart of everything. Narrator: at the very center lies Sagittarius A*, a supermassive black hole to 4 million times the mass of our sun. Around it, stars dance in orbits of terror and grace. Visuals: black hole, dancing light, glowing a crescent disk. Aiden, softly. The monster at the heart of our galaxy. Yet without it, none of this would exist. Part 6. Escaping the core, 21 o'clock to 24 o'clock visuals. Turbulence, radiation flares. Narrator: to venture too close is to risk oblivion. Even light itself cannot escape. Our ship must turn back or be swallowed by the darkness. Mira, hold on. Power to full shields. We're riding the gravitational wave out. Thrilling music. Flashes of light as ship escapes the accretion stream. Narrator. And like starlight freed from shadow, we rise once again outward, to the galactic plane. Part 7. The galactic plane. 24 o'clock to 27 minutes. Visuals. Panoramic view of the galaxy from above. Narrator. From here, the Milky Way reveals its full majesty, a luminous disk of stars, gas, and mystery. Aiden, we've crossed 100,000 lattias, and still, we've seen only a fraction of what's out there. Mira, perhaps the real discovery is realizing how small we are, yet how connected to everything. Conclusión 2, las 7, 3 la 0. Visuals. Ship leaving the galaxy, distant stars shimmering. Narrator. Our journey ends where it began in all. The Milky Way is not just our home. It is our heritage, written in light and dust. Music, emotional orchestral swell. Narrator. Across time and space, the galaxy sings a song of creation, death, and rebirth. And we, tiny travelers, are part of its endless symphony. Text on screen. Journey around the Milky Way. The story continues. Fade out. 2 stars. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how vast our universe truly is? Those shimmering stars seem so close, yet they are thousands, even millions of light years away. Today, let us embark on a journey to explore the unimaginable immensity of the universe. We begin from the place we call home Earth, a beautiful blue planet, about 12,700 kilometers wide, orbiting the sun at a blistering speed of nearly 30 kilometers per second. It's a cradle of life, teeming with wonders. But in the grand scale of the cosmos, Earth is nothing more than a single grain of sand on an endless desert shore, under a sky filled with stars. Our perspective is about to change forever. At the center of our solar system lies the sun, a colossal star of unimaginable power, so immense it could hold over 1 million Earths inside it. Around this fiery heart, 8 planets dance in their ancient, graceful orbits, each one a unique world of its own, from the scorching plains of Mercury to the icy giants beyond. And yet, this entire solar system, our familiar cosmic neighborhood, is just a tiny, almost invisible speck, adrift within the vast and glorious Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way, our galactic home, is a breathtaking, spiral city of stars, stretching about 100,000 light-years from one end to the other. To put that into perspective, if you traveled at the speed of light, the fastest speed possible, it would still take you 100,000 years just to cross it. Within this magnificent structure are more than 200 billion stars, each one a potential sun, along with countless planets, shimmering nebulae where new stars are born, and mysterious black holes that warp the very fabric of space. But the universe doesn't end there. Our journey has only just begun. Beyond the comforting spiral arms of our Milky Way exist hundreds of billions of other galaxies, each one a universe of its own, filled with its own billions upon billions of stars. Our nearest major galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, is a staggering 2.5 million light-years away. A journey so vast it's hard to fathom. When we look at images from the Hubble Space Telescope's deep field, every tiny dot of light we see isn't a star, it's an entire galaxy, home to its own stellar family. From the first simple telescope of Galileo to the modern marvels of space technology, humanity has always been driven by an insatiable curiosity to see further and understand more. Today, with the James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful observatory ever built, we can peer back in time over 13 billion years, witnessing the first faint light of creation itself. Every breathtaking image Webb captures is a window into the distant past, a precious glimpse of the universe when it was still young and just beginning its epic story. Through these incredible tools, scientists have mapped the large-scale structure of the universe, revealing a gigantic, intricate web, the cosmic web. In this structure, galaxies aren't scattered randomly. They are drawn together by gravity to form clusters. These clusters, in turn, connect into even larger superclusters, and between them lie vast, empty cosmic voids. When viewed from a cosmic perspective, the universe looks like a glowing, leaping network, a web of light and matter stretching across the infinite darkness. The observable universe, the part we can see from Earth, has a radius of about 46.5 billion light. This is the ultimate horizon. The light from the farthest objects we can possibly detect has traveled for over 13 billion years to finally reach our telescopes. But what lies beyond that edge, it's one of the greatest mysteries of all. Perhaps there are parallel universes, other realities coexisting with our own. Perhaps there is simply nothing at all. Or maybe there is something entirely new, something our minds have yet to even comprehend. Amid this almost terrifying cosmic vastness, humanity is but a tiny speck of dust. Yet we are a very special speck, a speck that can wonder, that can dream, and that possesses the relentless drive to understand its place in the cosmos. In a profound way, we are the universe, becoming aware of itself. We are literally born from stardust, forged in the hearts of dying stars, and now we gaze back at those same stars, searching for our origins and our destiny among them. The universe may be infinite, but so is the human spirit. Every new discovery we make, every star we chart, brings us a little closer to understanding the fundamental question of who we are. Though we may be just a fleeting spark in the endless night, a brief moment in cosmic time, we are, and always will be, a vital part of this great cosmic story, the story of the universe. Thank you for joining this journey. If you are as captivated as I am, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more explorations into the cosmos.
Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, lies nearly 3 billion kilometers.
Composed mainly of hydrogen, helium, and methane, its atmosphere reflects light into a distinctive blue tone.
What makes Uranus truly unique is its 98-degree tilt.
This extreme tilt gives Uranus seasons that last up to 21 years each.
Temperatures drop to -224 degrees Celsius, making Uranus the coldest planet in our solar system.
It's surrounded by 27 moons and 13 faint rings, drifting quietly in the dark of space.
One Uranian year equals 84 Earth years, a long, silent voyage through the cosmic night. More than 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun, Neptune stands as our eighth and most distant planet.
Its surface isn't solid, just swirling layers of hydrogen, helium, and icy methane.
Neptune is home to violent storms, where winds race faster than the speed of sound.
The Great Dark Spot, a gigantic storm, churns within Neptune's deep blue atmosphere.
Despite its distance and coldness, Neptune radiates intense internal heat from deep within its core. 14 moons orbit this frozen world, the largest being Triton, an icy moon that moves in reverse rotation. Together, Uranus and Neptune embody the cold, mysterious beauty of the outer solar system.
14 moons orbit this frozen world, the largest being Triton, an icy moon that moves in reverse rotation.
Together, Uranus and Neptune embody the cold, mysterious beauty of the outer solar system, the frozen giants of our cosmic frontier.